Mr. James Kim. Very handsome from Korean.
No. I'm very fat. Like pig.
Yeah, picture. We have a tour for house tour, for apartment. And I have guess Korean, from Korean. So, like it? The water is not work yet. Maybe if you move here, we can fix. They will clean up before you move. They will put the lights on water. So when you plan to move here, as soon as possible. When you plan to move here?
I'm going to the Iloilo.
You're going back to Iloilo first?
My car, maybe.
Your car you will bring here, and then everything, your things, and then. So we still have a time to fix everything here before you come here. It's already prepared.
The tile.
Yeah. Tile. I don't know if they will put the tile. So because it's no have time. Sir, what's your name, sir?
My name is James Kim.
James Kim.
I'm Korean.
Korean.
I live in Iloilo.
Yes.
I want to move this area.
This area.
Yeah. Very nice place.
Very nice place.
Michelle is beautiful.
You remember my name? Yeah. I'm Michelle Hall. I'm Michelle Hall. And then we are here at the terrace, and then I ask to sir that want to have a vlog. You can watch my vlog. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, I have Facebook, and I have a business also.
Very happy.
Yeah, very happy. Yeah, so thank you, sir James Kim. I hope to see you again. I see you again. Yeah. Bye-bye. This is tutor. Nagtutor si Mr. James Kim. Yeah. Parang gusto niya is real house. Real house daw ang kanyang gusto. So it's okay. It's nice daw here, but at least one room.
Oh, very nice place.
The nice place, but you said you want a room, but it's no have room here. So it's not for what you looking for.
작겠는데요.
Nakarating kami dito sa sa Rivera.
아니요, 여기 안에 거기 게이트 바로 앞에 있어요. 네네. 예. 네네, 알겠어요. 길 건너편에 있다는 거죠? 네, 알겠어요. 네네, 알겠습니다. 네, 알겠습니다. 네.
So what? Golf, this one?
Maybe car parking here. Together.
How old this one?
The palm 10 years? Yeah. Saan ang may available na bahay?
Pakita mo sa kanya yung
Say hi. Hi. Hi to my vlog. Sama ka ate. Yan ay. Para ma-vlog natin. So dito kami sa Governor Hills. Naghahanap kami ng bahay. Clubhouse. So yung agent namin si Ma'am, ano pangalawa mo? Ami? Okay, si Ma'am Ami. So let's go. Mr. James Kim.
Ami?
Yes,
Ami. Yeah, Ami. So she's the agent for you. So we're looking now let's go to the house.
Sa phase 5 na ako. This one, the big one, has a...
But that
Yeah, has the aircon. And
So,
one toilet.
one toilet only.
This is your sala.
Ay, paano? Kailangan makita niya yung room. Kunin natin yung susi.
Malaki yan.
Ha?
Malaki na may aircon.
May aircon.
Where kitchen.
Ah, where the kitchen? Where the kitchen? Where's...
Hindi pa kasi, papaayos.
So you can...
Like this one, the screen.
That's not really expensive. It's only
Only
cheap.
the
So
screen.
cheap. Yeah. So that's cheaper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ang gusto niya yung screen daw.
Ito nga.
Ganyan. Pwede siya magpalagay rin ng aircon dito, sa sala. You can put the aircon also here if you want.
Dito talaga, pagka 3 rooms, nasa 25.
25.
Kaya lang, hindi ko na inano.
Anong dyan, ate? 1 month deposit, 1 month advance?
Hindi.
Ano?
3 months.
3 months.
Kung gusto niya ng 1 year, hingian mo na.
Yan. Tayo. Vlog. Pang reels. Nagre-reels ka ba? Nagba-vlog ka rin?
Minsan, pag pagka naharap ko, reels.
Reels. Tumingin ka dito ng mga pampaganda.
Sige.
Para makita mo dyan sa kayo mga food supplement natin.
Marami akong mapagpagpapanet.
Member dyan si Ate Jasmine. Ka sa kanya, mag-register ka sa kanya.
Marami ako doon sa founder na pwede ko.
Alokan. Maganda yan.
Mga kapwa agent.
Oo. Ay, oo. Ang gaganda ng mga pampaganda dyan. Ganda ng view. Overlooking ko sa parang kung ako lang, nirentahan ko, yung mga to si Koreano. Kailangan na talaga niya dito
I-ano niya na to. Ito na lang ang mag-dito.
Oo. Sabihin ko sa kanya. Always have vlog. Vlog. We always have vlog here. See?
Ma-reserve mo na siya.
Reserve. You have to reserve now. We can go to office now. We submit the ID. You have to sign. Ngayon na ba? Pwede yun ngayon na? Ay! Acknowledge lang today.
Thank you for nice house.
Okay, sir. Thank you also.
So now, anong next process? We go to sa paano mo siya?
I-acknowledge ko na lang.
I-acknowledge na lang. Ang ganda ng bahay, oh. So, dito siya mag-rent. So, this one. Pataas. Ang ganda. So, finish. Ito yung bahay na nakuha niya. There. Yung hanggang dun. Ang ganda. 13,000 monthly lang. Okay, diba? Another video. You are popular on my vlog. You have more fans. It's to pay. You are viral. You have many fans. And ibigin natin to. Sign of contract. Hey, Mr. James. Open already. Oh. Okay. I hope it's not hot here. Oh, it's big here. Dito na kami sa bahay. Bedroom. Sa bedroom. Yeah. Bukas na yung bedroom. So nice here. Very unique area. Very unique area. Looking mess of tour guide. Tour guide. Hi, good morning, Mr. James. Yeah. Yeah, good morning. Let's go home. So, we're done. Done here. It's nice here.